Belzona's role in the petrochemical industry is ongoing. The severe environments commonly associated with the operation of a chemical plant provide a perfect arena for Belzona's maintenance and repair systems. As with any state-of-the-art company, Belzona systematically invests many of its resources in the development and advancement of high-quality, polymer-based products to counteract the aggressive conditions of a chemical plant. Belzona has been successfully providing solutions to this industry since the early 1950s. Today, Belzona products continue to resolve emergencies, provide long-term coating and protective materials, and offer proven techniques and know-how to one of the world's most demanding industries. Maintenance personnel and project planners must continually deal with preventative maintenance measures, spend capital and energy in the design of equipment, and generally preoccupy themselves with many of the problems which are endemic to most chemical facilities. Some of the problems are stress corrosion cracking, chemical attack, under-insulation corrosion, abrasion, crevice corrosion, galvanic corrosion, cavitation, microbiological corrosion. Belzona's solutions are used throughout the world to solve and prevent many of these problems in a variety of ways. Take for instance absorber towers. These units are found the world over to remove unwanted substances such as carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, and sulfur dioxide from a process stream which would otherwise contaminate or inhibit a chemical process. Carbon dioxide absorber towers, such as the one pictured above, suffer from stress corrosion cracking. They are also susceptible to chemical degradation as a result of the side production of carbonic acid. Rebuilding and coating the walls of the tower with chemically resistant products will provide the necessary protection against acid or amine solutions. A piece of equipment found in most chemical plants are glass-lined reactors or tanks. Most often, these tanks are utilized for their high temperature and good chemical resistance. However, when damaged or abused, they become tedious and expensive to repair and refurbish. Oftentimes, the repair options by the manufacturer are limiting and unrealistic. For instance, the lid of this vessel had become damaged due to negligence on the part of the maintenance personnel of this pharmaceutical facility. Without any other recourse other than to have to purchase another brand new lid, the local Belzona distributor was summoned. Utilizing a forming technique, the underside of the lid was repaired and placed back into service in a short period of time. Heat exchangers are found throughout any chemical facility, whether they are being used directly in a process, being used as condensers to reclaim water, or being used to cool a process fluid. They suffer from chemical attack, corrosion, and erosion. Belzona offers various systems depending on the chemical solutions, temperature, concentrations, and pressure to help stop and prevent such damage. Belzona offers step-by-step solutions for the rebuilding and coating of heat exchanger tube sheet surfaces, end covers, floating heads, division bars, and channel heads. Leaks and corrosion on the side of holding vessels, along pipes, near or on flange faces are a problem. Belzona offers various ways to provide emergency as well as long-standing solutions to many of these problems. The products can be used over a wide range of substrates including rubber, concrete, metal, and fiberglass. Their outstanding resistance against chemicals and high temperatures offer cost-effective and time-saving solutions. Pumps serve a multitude of uses in a chemical facility for distribution, production, processing, and recycling. As can be expected, the various substances which flow through a pump can cause chemical attack and erosion corrosion. Belzona's fluid flow systems can be used for various purposes: to rebuild a worn wear ring seat, a cutwater, or the cone of a vacuum pump. They can also be used to coat impellers, rotors, end covers, and casings. The product's high chemical, erosion, and chemical resistance provide versatile solutions to many recurring problems. Impellers are also prone to erosion corrosion and chemical attack. These impellers used in main circulating water pumps suffered from cavitation. Belzona offers rebuilding-grade products to compensate for the erosion due to cavitation, thereby providing the needed protection as well as a means to slow down such damage. No return valves, check valves, and ball valves may all be used in a petrochemical facility's operation. The refurbishment of this equipment provides effective rapid solutions to a vital piece of equipment. Belzona can be used to rebuild the body of a valve as well as the seat and seal. These products provide long-lasting solutions which have been tried and tested. Containment areas present a special problem. The ever-increasing concerns to make process facilities compliant with environmental regulations has led to greater efforts to comply with such legislation. Although a great building product due to its porosity and chemical makeup, concrete is easily attacked by various chemical solutions. The use of chemically resistant rebuilding and coating products increase their functionality remarkably. Belzona offers tough, non-porous products resistant to a wide range of chemicals, such as high concentrations of inorganic acids, all types of hydrocarbons, caustic substances, organic acids, and alcohols. Whether it be a support stand for a pump, circulating agitator arm, or a reactor, as in this case, the Belzona 4000 series products can be used to rebuild and repair concrete structures. The product's high durability and resistance to vibration make them ideal to resist high loads of varying degrees of movement. As it is seen in this case, the complete deterioration of the base of this reactor is such that even the rebar is exposed. It is obviously critical to encapsulate the rebar and preserve the integrity of the base. The actual reconstruction of the base itself proved effective, saving the facility valuable downtime. The treatment of water used throughout the plant becomes a critical part of a chemical facility's processes. As the water goes through the various stages of purification, it comes in contact with pumping, piping, and equipment used for purification. There is an obvious interest in protecting this equipment to minimize costs and increase effectiveness. This 100-foot diameter clarifier suffered from several problems. Of utmost importance, besides the obvious chemical problems, were the cracks throughout its base and the use of an inadequate elastomeric compound for the expansion joint. Belzona 2000, 4000, and 5000 series products were used to repair and coat this clarifier, proving once again their versatility. A leak in this liquefied petroleum gas holding sphere presents a potentially disastrous hazard. As with most insulated structures, equipment, and piping, the improper protection of insulation can result in corrosion damage, inadequate production rates, and safety concerns. Stress corrosion cracking can result from the use of metal lacking to protect insulation. Although it is generally impervious to water from the outside, it becomes doubly ineffective as it traps any moisture that may result on the insulation. The inability for the moisture to escape provides a medium from which corrosion can start to propagate. Belzona's unique insulation protection system waterproofs from the outside, but its microporous top surface allows for any water vapors to escape. This ensures that the insulation remains dry and puts a stop to the corrosion even before it starts. A common problem encountered with process and holding tanks is corrosion along the chine angle of these metal structures. Moisture creeps up under and through the concrete, allowing the metal to corrode. The isolation of the concrete and metal from moisture can adequately eliminate such a problem. The Belzona 3000 series provides such a protection by offering a flexible, microporous membrane that is watertight and resistant to the effects of ultraviolet rays. Chemical plants are composed of miles upon miles of pipelines. Both the exterior and interior of pipes, most often than not, need to be coated and protected. Belzona offers systems of coating materials to line and coat pipes. It also offers materials to rebuild corroded areas. The product's high adhesion to various substrates makes them ideal to bond sleeves and patch scratches or voids over a section of pipe. In this instance, the high level of corrosion on the pipe's support and wear pad has become so severe that it has extended over to the surface of the pipe. Belzona products can be utilized to rebuild the pipe support and bond wear pads. whether it be to refurbish a pump, valve, or heat exchanger, or to provide the solution to eliminate corrosion on pipelines and process tanks. Belzona has the techniques and products to provide the required solution. People around the world are witness to the outstanding performance and adaptability of the Belzona products. Leading petrochemical and refinery facilities utilize Belzona to solve their most demanding problems. Why not consider how Belzona can help you?